Hello and welcome to today's practice. To mark the celebration of Chinese New Year according to the lunar calendar and welcome the zodiac sign of wooden dragon, today we're going to revisit a dragon form from the Muscle Tendon Change Classic. This form, the green dragon showing its claws, in traditional Chinese medicine associates with the liver and gallbladder organ network. So doing this exercise will help to stretch and strengthen the connective tissues as well as restore a smooth energy circulation through the liver and gallbladder meridians. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Hello, my dear friends and community members. I'm here today to announce a brand new 30-day Qigong series. It's a journey tailored for everyone. Each week is tailored around a specific theme, and each day brings a new class to awaken, harmonize, grow, and transform. From invigorating balancing exercises to fiery core strengthening, complemented with healing breathworks and restorative meditation sessions. This journey is more than just your daily workouts. It's an opportunity to foster a stronger and more harmonious relationship between your body and your mind. I invite you to join me and others on this beautiful journey together to harmony and inner balance. We're going to begin with a quick warm-up to prepare the body, making sure that we feel nice and warm. So starting in Wuji with the feet shoulder distance apart, unlock your knees, relax into your hips, bring your tailbone forward to help you relax through the lower back area. Keep your spine nice and straight, shoulders relaxed. Chin tucked in to open through the back of the neck. Relax your face and mentally extend upwards through the crown of the head. Let's rotate the body, keeping the movement light, pleasant, and comforting. Begin to establish a strong foundation through your feet and your alignment, distributing the weight equally on both feet. Finding the center of gravity, it is usually the space between our feet. If you were to drop and extend the line from your tailbone, it should land between your feet. At the same time, we open through the spine, the back of the neck, and try to lift and elongate through the crown of the head. This helps to encourage circulation through the spine, helps to open and invigorate the spine with vital energy. Very good. A few more times. Come back to center. Stay nice and relaxed. Hands on the lower back. Let's prep and open up through the hips and the lower back region. The dragon form can be a little bit demanding, especially on the hips and the lower body, as well as the lower back. If you're ready, if you're warmed up, and you listen to your body to respect and honor your limitations, there should be no problem. So begin to warm up and pay attention to this area. Keeping it nice and even, nice and round. When you're ready, change direction. You can do this exercise for a little longer. You can pause the video if you feel that your lower back needs more time to warm up. Generally, it's a good idea to do this exercise for 10-15 minutes. Very good. One more time. Coming back to center. And go ahead and rub your lower back, generating the warmth, stimulating the pressure points located running along the spine. Just creating a comfortable feeling in the lower back area. Brush it down, relax. From here, bringing the feet together, let's prep the knees. Slow and steady. We don't need to push or force, comfortably rotating. And if you feel there is crackling or chit-chatting or even feeling of sand grains in your knees, slow down, limit your range of motion, really trying to take your time to hydrate, to lubricate your joints. Change direction. Very good. One more time. Gently push your knees to the back. Let me show you the side view. Open up and stretch right down the back of your legs. Bring your knees forward, head to the sky, and come up. Very good. Coming into Wuji with your feet parallel. Bring your hands in front of the belly. Take a nice deep breath in, open up. On the exhale, bring your hands down as you lean forward comfortably. Begin to open up. Prepare ourselves for the dragon form. Inhale as you lift, shoulders relaxed. Gently open the front of the body, look up. Release. Exhale, surrender. Never feel pressure to go low and touch your toes. Comfortably warming up the body. Exhale, forward. Let me show you the side view. Inhale on the way up. Exhale down. Twice more, breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale as you raise up. Exhale, let your arms come down the sides. Relax, relax, relax. Good, I think we're ready for that dragon form. So we want to keep our feet nice and parallel, shoulder distance apart. If you feel strong and confident, you can even extend, giving yourself a little bit more challenge. Bringing the hands in front. We're going to spiral and close the hands into the fist, drawing them to the last floating rib or the lower rib area where the liver, gallbladder is. Then gently push up as you create this vertical line, opening up all the way to your fingertips. Slowly lean to the side as you deepen in the stretch. Then gently rotate from your hips and the waist and extend. Open up your palm so it looks like dragon's claws showing. Bend your knees as you relax your neck and shoulders and return to this powerful form, prepared to move. Spiral again. Hands come to the lower rib. Straighten up and repeat the same on the other side. Opening right out the side of the body and slowly reaching forward. Keep your head up without locking the back of the neck. Keep the energy flowing through the neck and release. Spiral right to the liver, all the way to the sky. Reaching forward. Your breathing here is natural. We don't need to worry about our breath. Just need to enjoy and move with ease, move with comfort. And the breath will naturally become more relaxed. Open up. Here you want to focus on opening right down the back. So it's less about the lower back here, more about the side of the body and the activation of the core muscles. Release. So be kind, be gentle to your lower back. So this is about the legs, the side of the body, exactly where the liver and the gallbladder meridians are crossing. Coming back, beautiful relaxed moment. We do one more time. Right to the ribs, all the way to the sky. Activate, open up. Extend. And release. Very good. Hands to the waist, to the ribs. And then on to the belly. Circle a few times around the navel. And then move across, comfort and relax your lower back. Very good. From here, gently push forward. Release. Allow the space to truly relax. And then lean forward to decompress. Running your hands all the way down and feel free to bend your knees and soften. Surrender and relax all the muscles along the spine, the neck, the head, the shoulders. Just being free, no effort. Finding strength and power from your legs. Slowly push up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Feeling strong, feeling aligned and alive. Taking a moment here for yourself to feel your body, to appreciate the moment, to feel the energy circulating within. Especially the areas that we targeted. Maybe there is some change, maybe a sense of space or awareness. Welcome any sensations. Very good. And then finishing Hands on the lower back. Take a couple of deep, mindful breaths, bringing yourself to center, regulating your breath. Feeling calm, feeling grounded, pushing down with the palm. Inhale, gathering the calming energy around you. Exhale, breathing out and concentrating within. Inhale, exhale. The mind is present, the breath is deep and relaxed. The body nice and open, receptive to this energy, and grateful. Very good. And if you feel good, don't forget to smile, send in and generate an even more positive energy, positive vibrations. Finish your session. Thank you very much for joining me today, celebrating the beginning of a new Dragon's Year. Also marking the beginning of a new season. According to the traditional Chinese medicine, this season of spring is right here. So moving on to the next element. So looking forward to practicing with you this season as well. Thank you for joining me. As always, I wish you great health and keep on practicing.